How to log out of Netflix on all devices. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of your Netflix account on all devices that you are currently using. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to netflix.com and then log into your specific account. You can also use your Netflix application on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now, from here, select Account. Then scroll down to the Security and Privacy section, and there you can tap on Sign Out of All Devices. This will take you to the Sign Out of All Devices screen to confirm, and again tap on Sign Out, and you will then be redirected back to your Netflix account screen where you will see a message confirming that you have been signed out of your Netflix account on all devices. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can log out of your Netflix account on all devices. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.